Transformers fans, Bradimus22 here, and welcome back to the ARC Autobot headquarters, where I feature parts of my Transformers collection for you and do a little bit of a toy review for you. Here I have sort of a second part of a little series of the Lamborghini brothers, I like to call, Sideswipe and Sunstreaker. They are twin brothers and from the original G1 series. If some of you have seen my Sideswipe video, you'll see that I had Sunstreaker displayed in the background. Well, here he is now. I'm going to show him to you. Sunstreaker I acquired through a mail order program that Transformers toys had in the second or third year, I believe. And they did not come with the original packaging, but rather it came in a little plastic bag, such as you see here, all packaged in probably in an envelope as well. And unfortunately no box, but here he is. It is the original model of Lamborghini Countach of Sunstreaker to add to your collection. He came also with all the regular parts and the catalogs and instruction manual. I'll go ahead and get that open for you. Sunstreaker's package that came to me. We have, of course, Sunstreaker with his fists, missiles, missile launcher, and missiles that goes into one of his arms. The stickers, instruction manual, and the catalog that came with us at one time, as well as a mail order pamphlet. Here's the instructions here. Looks like I got two of them here. They're both the same. One appears to be, oops, let me get that in view there. And very nicely detailed. I always love the photograph instructions, as I'm sure many people it's easier to follow. And we have the catalog that came with to support the movie, the Transformers movie. And this has all the ones from Ultra Magnus to Hot Rod, and the Predacons and Devastator, Bruticus, all these guys from this era here as well. And this looks to be the French version of this. I think the English one I have somewhere else. Because we are in Canada, we have to have French and English here. Let's Sideswipe hold them up. And then we have the mail order, the mail order catalog here. And this one is to join the Stars secret club that you could sign up for. Now this backdrop I have here is from the Stars. I never signed up for it, but I found it in a yard sale and picked it up. So I just thought it's a great backdrop that I have there as well. And this one you could get a keychain or a wristband with a keychain inside of it. So that was kind of cool. I never sent away for that, but handy nevertheless. And I'll go ahead and get him transformed for you. And here is his transformation. There he is, Lamborghini Countach. Even though he's a twin brother of Sideswipe, he is totally a different transformation. There he is. Close up that back panel to hold up his head. There he is. And so he gets one missile in his hand. And of course, many of you realize that there is a spring-loaded weapon system in some of these Transformers, but they never really went that too far. Even if you press the button, it's just to release it out. Didn't really go anywhere. Some of the newer Transformers, they do shoot farther. but I believe in the cartoon he's actually showed out as well. That goes in there, so that's what he should look like according to the picture there. Just I like to follow what it looks like, and let's not forget the top other missile parts here. And there you go, Sunstreaker. And this one not as played with as my Sideswipe, but he is in a nice shape, very nice shape. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.